Welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your Bluetooth headphones or speakers to Panasonic TV. So start by grabbing your Bluetooth device. In my case, these are gonna be the headphones I have right here. And first of all, you're gonna have to put your device into pairing mode. Usually it is done by holding some sort of power or home button on your device until it starts flashing rapidly. So just hold the power button or home button for about 5 seconds, see if your device starts flashing, and usually that indicates entering the pairing mode. Now I cannot tell you how to put your specific device into pairing mode because each device has its own way to enter the pairing mode. So if you want to know how to do it exactly, you're gonna have to check the manual to your device. After that, grab your remote control and navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open all settings. Then in settings menu, you're gonna have to navigate to remotes and accessories. Select Pair Accessory, and then if your device is in pairing mode, then select it because you'll be able to see it on the sidebar. Then select Pair to confirm pairing request. And after a couple of seconds, your devices will be connected. Now, if you want to disconnect your device, you're gonna have to select it on the list of remotes and accessories, and then select disconnect, then yes. Or if you want to remove it from your TV completely, then you have to select it and select forget, and then yes. And after that, it will not connect automatically to your TV. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.